Checking your account balance on Raygun is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Login. Visit the Raygun website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure to use the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access billing information. In account settings, look for a billing or payment information tab. Click on it to view your financial details. Step 4. View account balance. Within the billing section, you should see your current account balance displayed prominently. Take a note of this figure for your records. Step 5. Log out. After checking your balance, ensure you log out of your account for security purposes. This can typically be done by clicking on your profile icon and selecting the log out option. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Raygun. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.